How to make Notion send daily notifications at a time in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notion application on your phone. The Notion app is used as a versatile all-in-one workspace for note-taking, project management, and collaboration. Once you're here, go to the bottom panel and tap on the new Note icon. On your keyboard, tap on the numbers key. And then, select the key as shown. After that, type in Remind Tomorrow. Here, tap on the clock icon. You can now set the date over here. You can also change the date format if you want. Then, go to Remind. Here, you can choose when you want to be reminded of the event. After that, you can set and include the time as well. Following these steps, you can easily make Notion send daily notifications at a time in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.